In this video, we are going to be working with addition problems, but we're going to be finding our answer a different way other than drawing a picture. So in this video, you will be learning the counting on strategy. Sometimes I like to call it the fast way because it is quicker than drawing a picture every time. It's kind of like a shortcut. So I'm going to write a number sentence and then I'll walk you through the steps for how to use this strategy to add numbers together. Let's read it. 5 plus 3 equals something. The counting on strategy. First, underline the first number. Second, draw lines for the number after the plus sign. 3 is after the plus sign, so I'm going to draw 3 lines. Now, we have to solve. Put this number in your head. 5. Count on with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is my answer, so I will write it in the box. 5 plus 3 more equals 8. Nice work. Let's try another one. Read it first. 6 plus 4 equals something. Do you remember the first step? Number 1. Underline the first number. Number 2. Draw lines for the number after the plus sign. The number is 4. Draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to solve. Put that number in your head. 6. We're going to count on from 6. 6. Ready to count on? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is my answer, so I'm going to write it in the box. Read it back to yourself. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Wow, you are so awesome at math. Let's do one more. I'm going to erase so I have enough room, because when we do math, it's really important that our work is nice, neat, and organized so our brain doesn't get confused. Let's try 3 plus 4 equals something. We're using the counting on strategy. First, underline the first number. Second, draw lines for the number after the plus sign. The number is 4, so I'm going to draw 4 lines. Now we need to solve. Put this number in your head and get ready to count on. 3, put in your head, 3, I like to imagine 3 lines right here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is my answer, so I'm going to write it in the box and then read it back to myself. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Let's do one more and then I'm going to send you off to try it on your own. How about 8 plus 1 equals something? 8 plus 1 equals something. Counting on strategy. Underline number 1. Underline the first number, because we're going to put that in our head in a little bit. Number 2, draw lines for the number after the plus sign. This is the number 1, so I'm going to draw 1 line. Now we need to solve. Put that number in your head. 8. I like to imagine 8 lines in my head. 8, ready to count on. 8, 9. 9 is my answer. Now I'm going to read it back. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now it's time to erase. And I'm going to give you some problems that you can solve on your own now. Here they are. So you will need to write these on your paper. 2 plus 4 equals something. 6 plus 2 equals something. How about let's try 3 plus 5 equals something. 4 plus 3 equals something. And let's do 7 plus 2 equals something. Now, write all of these on your paper. Make sure you give yourself some room so you can be underlining the first number and drawing lines for the number after the plus sign. Then I would love to see your work and how well you learned the counting on strategy.